Done it again. Oh, hey. Oh. What? Oh. Oh yeah, it's me, Good Gaming, and we are playing the Magic Jigsaw game again. So this is the second video. Oh, what? Yeah, it's just nature. It's just some new game, whatever. Okay. Just wait on it loading. Right. No! Crap, why did it do that? And top, no. Why does it get back in there? Okay. Oh my god. Where's the silver corner one? Okay. Right. It's the top. Yeah. Nope. Yep. 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 And yep. Okay. Oh. Why do people keep texting me? It's annoying. Right, here's one. Okay. There we go. No. I'm assuming that goes in the middle. Yep, that goes in the middle. Right. Oh. Nope. That probably goes there. I don't know. How's that? What? Doesn't put that. Yay. Nope. Get out. Get out. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh crap. Okay. Keep going. Oh, there we go. There. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go, we're done it. Oh, we still have 3 minutes left, or 2. Yep. So, I'm assuming we should do Super Surfers. If it's working this time. Hopefully. Come on, it has to be working. I think it's working. Okay. Work. Okay, it's just working. Okay, hurry. There we go, it's working. Now play. No! Play. Yes, it's working. Oh crap, I'm gonna fall. I think I'm logged in Facebook. I don't know. have no idea. Okay. Right. Oh, it's a runner. What the hell? Okay. Come on. See how, what was I going to say? What I was going to say? That's right. Yes. I'm actually really good at this. I wouldn't say really, but good. So, yeah. What the hell just happened? No! Oh, crap. I don't like to use my key, so that's me done for today. Well, for this video. Oh yeah, remember to subscribe and like my videos. Bye!